I want to share with you today a story that's in my book, Increase Your Abundance Starting Today. And it's a story of one of the most painful days of my life. It was after I had filed for bankruptcy. It was a few months later. And in a 2 to 3 day period, I got the discharge of the bankruptcy, foreclosure of 2 homes, and an IRS audit all at the same time. And I really thought I couldn't live through it. I really didn't think I could. And I cried and I could barely breathe. And then I found myself kind of wandering through the house, and I ended up in the kitchen. And I was standing at the door of the kitchen, and I looked across the room and I saw the knives. And you see, I thought at that time that the pain was so great and too great to survive. And I knew in that moment that I saw those knives, I could no longer play with that thought. That thought as to whether I could survive or not had been playing in my mind over and over and over again. And in that split second, I also flashed to that the bankruptcy and the foreclosures had started in my mind also 17 months earlier. And I knew that if I kept playing with that thought, I could not survive. And so I chose in that moment to not have that thought again, to let go of that thought and choose different thoughts. And it has served me well, and I am so grateful, because my life from that point forward, while there were struggles and pain and tears that still were to be shed from that day forward, to be here now, decades later, is extraordinary gift. And so many blessings have come to me. So I don't know where you are today, and I don't know if you are struggling with anything that you think that you can't survive. You can. And when I work with people, I tell them on the other side of this issue, if you can hold on, if you can live through, if you can find the pearls of wisdom and the lessons that are yours, then there is so much grace and so much beauty and so much wealth and so much joy and so much love on the other side of this, if they will allow it. And I ask you that today. No matter where you are in your situation, if you can hold on, create some space inside of yourself to get creative. Look at your life from, well, given what's been going on in my life, what would I like to create now? And if you'd like to read this book, Increase Your Abundance Starting Today, you can go to www.kaminsamuel.com, and you can sign up for the Wealth Breakthrough Kit and get the PDF download. I give it to you freely with great love, because if it can help anyone get through this period of shame or embarrassment or fear, then it is my joy to gift it to you. Enter a comment or a question down below, and I just wish you so much wealth and success.